Let's make a cross craft. This will remind us of our crucified King and what he did for us at Calvary. Let's go. So, what are the things we need to make our cross craft today? You will need a black paper plate. If you don't have a black paper plate, you can find black cardstock around the house, or black construction paper is great. And you can cut a circle out of that to make your round black surface. If you don't have anything black, you can go ahead and use a white paper plate and color one side. Or if you don't have any white paper plates, you can use a white piece of paper, make a circle, and color one side black. We need 3 markers for sunset colors: orange, yellow, and red, a pen to draw our crosses, some tape, scissors, 2 paper towels, one for marking our sunset scene and the other for blotting, and we will need a water bottle. And those are the supplies that we need, so let's get started. Well, here we have it. Nice job. The simple reminder of a crucified King, our crucified King, and the gift of forgiveness so that we could live in the kingdom. Hey, let's check back in with Pastor Viana.